Lexus just changed the game and nobody's talking about it. This is what we think the 2027 Lexus ES 350 is going to look like. And if these renders are anywhere close to accurate, Lexus is about to drop one of the most dramatic redesigns in the luxury sedan segment in years. And I am here for it. Let's start at the front, because that's where Lexus made the biggest statement. The spindle grille is dead. Instead, you're looking at a full-width LED light bar that stretches almost the entire width of the hood, connecting both headlight clusters into one continuous illuminated strip. It's clean, it's sharp, and honestly, it looks like something straight out of Tokyo 2040. Drop down to the lower bumper, and you've got these angular fog light housings, almost trapezoidal, with LED accents built right in. No chrome clutter, no over-designed mess, just precise, intentional geometry. Around back, Lexus went even harder. A full-width LED taillight bar mirrors the front. Clean, connected, dramatic. The tail lights themselves have this pixelated dot matrix LED pattern that, honestly, no other car in this class is doing this right now. The trunk lid gets a subtle integrated spoiler. The rear diffuser section is blacked out, structured, and just aggressive enough without screaming race car. And the wheels, those multi-spoke dark machine-faced alloys, look like they could be 19 or 20 inches. And they work perfectly with that silver-gray body color. Now let's get inside, because this interior is premium in all the right ways. Lexus wrapped everything in rich cognac tan leather. Seats, door panels, dashboard, all of it. It feels like a boutique hotel lobby on wheels. The perforated seat inserts add texture without looking overdone. And those Lexus embossed headrests are a classy touch. The driver-focused cockpit has been totally rethought. There's a large digital instrument cluster, giving you clean gauge data right in your sightline. And to the right, a widescreen infotainment display that floats seamlessly in the dash, without that weird bolted-on tablet look other brands are guilty of. The steering wheel is flat-bottom, wrapped in the same tan leather, with a clean Lexus badge front and center. Rear passengers? They're not forgotten either. You've got rear climate vents, a fold-down center armrest with cup holders. And look at that panoramic roof, letting light pour in across all those leather surfaces. This is genuinely a first-class cabin at a business-class price point. Now, what's under the hood? Lexus is expected to carry over the 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing around 302 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and front-wheel drive standard, all-wheel drive available on higher trims. It's not a performance car, but it's smooth, refined, and genuinely quick when you need it. Pricing? We're expecting the 2027 ES 350 to start somewhere around $45,000 for the base trim, climbing up to around $55,000 or more for a fully loaded F Sport or Ultra Luxury variant. Now, who's it up against? You're looking at the BMW 5 Series, the Mercedes E-Class, and the Genesis G80, all of which are serious cars. But if Lexus delivers on this design, they might actually pull buyers away from the Germans for the first time in a long time. Drop a comment. Would you buy this over a BMW 5 Series? Let me know down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to catch the full reveal the moment it drops. And I'll see you in the next one.